In this video, I'll show you Capcut. First, open Capcut and create a new project. Import your video clips and arrange them on the timeline in the order you want. Next, look for the small transition icon between two clips on the timeline and click or tap it to open the transition library. Now, browse through the available transition categories and select the one you want to use. Tap on a transition to preview it, then adjust the duration using the slider if you'd like the effect to be faster or slower. After that, click the Apply to All option if you want to use the same transition between every clip in your project. Otherwise, repeat the process for each transition you want to add. Finally, play your video to make sure the transitions look smooth. When you're happy with the result, click Export, choose your preferred video settings, and save the finished video to your device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add transitions in Capcut. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.